In this video, I'm going to go through how to create a free 60-day trial of an Office 365 account or a tenant for example, demo or evaluation purposes. So let's start with going to www.office.com and we'll choose Get Office here. We then choose for business, since we need the business licenses for example, Teams rooms, which this video is about. We can here choose between some different plans. I choose a premium plan, since that's what gives us the most features. I choose try free for 1 month. This 1 month can then be extended to another month after the first has passed. So I'll enter my email address and I press next. And it tells me that I already have an account on this email address, but that's not a problem. I just choose create a new account instead, since I want to create another one. And I enter my information here. And then press next. And I have to press send verification code here. This will create an SMS that is sent to my phone, and I'll have to enter it into the box here. And then I press verify. So the next step is I need to create a domain for this demo tenant. This will be what's after the @ sign. So I try, for example, demo July, check availability, and that was not free, so I'll check something else, demo July 2, which is free. So this will be my address, something at demojuly2.onmicrosoft.com. So I press next and I enter my name, which will be my login name, and a password. And then I press sign up. So we see here there is a cost associated with this. This is in Swedish krona, but it's the same no matter which currency you use. It also says that we will be billed 0 today, so this will only be billed when the trial ends. And if we extend it, it will be another 30 days after the first trial has ended. So now we need to add a payment method. And I enter my card information here. And then I press save. and then I press Start Trial. And then we are all done. So it's now creating the trial account here. And we are done. So my next step is to go to portal.office.com. And I press this little button up to the left here with the 9 dots and go to admin. Since I will be using this account for testing my Teams room, I will add some Teams rooms licenses. First, I can see that I have the business premium licenses, 24 of them, since I used one of them currently, and I have a total of 25. I can then go to purchase services, and I search for Teams. And standard, and I see here we have the Teams room standard license, so that's 131 Swedish krona. If I compare that to the premium plan for Teams room, which is here, that's 436 Swedish krona, so about 4 times as much. So that's about $49 a month, I think. So that's the 2 license types that we can use for a Teams room licensing. We can actually use other licenses too. We can use an E3 or E5, but that would be more expensive than the standard license. And we won't need the Office programs and other features of that license. So I go to details for the Teams room standard, and I press Start Free Trial. And I can see here I will get 25 licenses for 1 month first, and then I can extend that for another month. And I press Try Now. And we are all done. So I just press Continue here, and I'm sent back to the admin center. And if I look at billing and your products now, I will see the 2 license types I have. So 25 licenses of each. I can then assign those to rooms or users. Another important thing is to cancel the subscriptions before the trial ends. So I just press Cancel Subscription, choose a reason there and cancel. And I'll do the same with this one and cancel. So those 2 has been cancelled and disabled now. If I want, I could have instead extended the license. Extend end date. I'll choose my payment method since I have cancelled them. I am now reactivating these licenses. So that one is active until 11th of September now. I'll do the same with the other one. Extend end date. Choose my payment method. And I'm all set there. So I have the products again, and I have now extended until September here. So that's it for how to create a Office 365 tenant and add the 25 licenses that we can get for free, and also how to add the Teams Room standard license that we can use for our Teams Rooms devices.